Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is ticodaH. If you're not new, it is still ticodaH. There's nothing special about this as yet. It is 5:54. I have two alarms. At 4, at 5. Obviously, I slept through the 4 o'clock one. But I have to get the 4 o'clock one because I am a full-blown commuter. A full-blown commuter. So you're ready to get ready for school. And they will be no because my need to leave over there by like 6 o'clock. I'm 5:54 now. I'm ready. My bed and everything. We're going to look about my hair. I did my lashes. This is all I have my lashes. I don't like the ever lashes on myself because I feel like I look weird. So now we're going to do our edges. I feel like I want to just do the part where I show. But what I'm with that school and go so. Oops. Well, it's not bad. For like the past few weeks, I didn't post because I was transitioning. That's my excuse. I actually don't have a reason as to why I didn't post. I just did not post. And my brother, my big brother, had asked me say, stop the YouTube. So I'm saying, no, I'm just living a double life. And certain things I'm gonna do can't post on the media. Chad, I'm gonna tell him one secret. I help Batman and Robin and Beast Boy. Okay? I probably say, oh, I help Teen Titans and I help Gotham City at the same time. I'm a multi-talented girl, okay? And because I have such a very good turnover rate for getting the villains down, I am in demand. And growing up, I watched those cartoons and I was like, let me work for my role models. And to be honest, working for your role models is not what they make it out to be. Because they're very cocky, especially Robin. Robin is so damn cocky. And like, turn it down, calm it down. I don't have to be doing this. I chose to be doing this. Okay? I chose to be doing this. Okay, that's what I do. I was so busy with that. Like, oh, this is myself for the day. I was so busy with that all of like last week. But now I'm kind of on a break because I tell them, say, I can't be doing this every day. I have to like take a break for school, you know, because school is really my priority in life. And I'm like, okay, fine, we understand. But Robin was like, oh, you don't need school. You can just come work for us and like in the tea house, the tea tower, whatever it is. I was like, I don't want to live that life. That's a rough living. Do I look like a rough? Person for the day is this thing in this bottle. What it is? A secret concussion. Actually, this is one of the things that formulated in Gotham City. I went to the mad science lab, and he had some cool stuff. So I was like, let me do this. It has been tea, as I can say it almost finished. So I don't really know the formula to give to you guys, but it's tea. You guys can't see me. I can't see myself. Anyways, I'm late for class. I just have my first class. It's over. My next class is at 11 or 10 o'clock. I have a long way to go. I'm going to get food. Come and stall. I'm going to eat this morning. So yeah. Class is over. I'm going home. Hi guys, so I'm home. I'm tired, like more sleep. I don't know what yesterday I have this worm medicine that I have, obviously, and I was like, I'm going to take it. I don't know if I can sniff it, but me and yam, and I haven't took the medicine as yet. Like I'm gonna drink the worm medicine, but me and yam, like from yesterday. Yesterday I had a full plate of food. I'm gonna tell you, so like 1 hour after, hungry lick me. I was like, come here from school. I don't know what in me. I just but it's so hungry and I feel like the hunger I felt I'm feel such a shameful hunger. And yesterday, oh, when I at school, honestly, my God, juicy. I mean, that's the only thing I ate, but honestly, my God, juicy. I did eat, but the hunger I felt like I didn't eat none tall, like none tall whatsoever. So, anyways, my bed, I can't sleep. I was supposed to go somewhere, chatty putas. I probably extend the vlog here until tomorrow and not end it today. So it'll be like some days in my life. Because I don't feel like I have enough footage content for just one day. So I'll probably extend it until tomorrow. But yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So now I'm late. Do you guys like this hairstyle on me? I kinda don't, I kinda don't know. I have like 33 videos for yesterday. I'm still like some ink for it today and it like a little. I don't have much to do today. I only have my debate and the football match and that's just basically it. It is a gloomy ass day. I'm a cool. Jamaica been get so many cold front. I'm tired Hi guys, coming in to check in before I end out this video. So this is kind of like what the video end. I know that there isn't much substance to it because I didn't do much. As I said, I don't do much. I live a very boring life. I wish I was feeding some fair in this beach because I'll be doing shit every day. But the thing that I do, I can't create a digital footprint with those. Not that I'm doing anything illegal. I'm a very lawful citizen. Okay, this is where this video ends. You guys are getting a video next week, but I think will be tea. Okay, I think that video will be tea. Okay, because I know it will be tea. Those activities will be tea. So stay tuned for next week.